Linking your bank account to Touch 'n Go is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Download the Touch 'n Go app. Start by downloading the Touch 'n Go app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Ensure you have the latest version for optimal performance. Step 2. Create or log into your accounts. Open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing Touch 'n Go account. You will need to provide your mobile number and verify it through a one-time password OTP. Step 3. Navigate to the wallet section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Isrock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Select your bank from the list provided and enter the required bank account details, such as your account number and any other necessary information. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm the linking process. You may receive a confirmation notification once the bank account is successfully linked. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Touch 'n Go app, allowing for easy transactions. Enjoy the convenience of managing your payments directly from your mobile device.